be able to buy state-run RA's daily product brands, Energy, Shrikhand, Curd and Buttermilk at stalls for some time now because sources are telling us that a dispute with the contract manufacturers has led to a halt in production. Taking advantage of this, Britannia, Mother Dairy and Amul are making their dairy products available at the RA stalls. Priya Sheth finds out more.
That's right, over 8 value-added dairy products have currently been discontinued from the RA stable. These include iconic flavoured milk drink Energy, along with several other variants of Energy and other products like curd, buttermilk, lassi and many more.
पिछले 2 महीने से प्रोडक्ट नहीं आ रहा है मैडम हमारे शॉप पे। रीजन अभी कुछ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का प्रॉब्लम रहेगा ये लोग का, अभी शायद शिफ्ट हुआ या कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अप्रैल में आएगा बता रहे थे अभी अगले महीने।
पक्का रीजन नहीं मालूम, बराबर बोला क्यों बंद है इतना बंद।
Now there are multiple dimensions to this. Retailers have been given varied reasons as to why RA's products have currently been discontinued. But what we do understand from our sources is that the dispute between the contract manufacturer and RA over late payment of dues has resulted in a premature severance of the contract, and that's resulted in a halt as far as production is concerned. Meanwhile, the contract manufacturer has also told us that fragmented demand from RA stalls as well as several competing products available in these stalls has led to a less than expected business for them.
एनर्जी के ऊपर ही सब स्टॉल चल रहा है, लेकिन उसका ये प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं तो पूरा धंधे के ऊपर ये हमारे मार्जिन धंधा पूरा डाउन हो गया।
तो प्रॉब्लम तो हुआ है, लीज की वजह से मैं महानंदा, मदर डेयरी, देन अमूल इन लोग का प्रोडक्ट बेचता हूँ।
To bring back these products in the market, we understand that the state government has issued tenders so that third parties can come on board and manufacture and sell these products in the whole of Maharashtra. But as of now, we understand from sources that there haven't been any bidders as far as this tendering process is concerned. Therefore, it remains to be seen what decision the government takes over the next 2 to 3 months, or whether or not it takes back manufacturing into its own hands. In Mumbai, Priya Sheth.